A very good morning, dear students. 8th grader, I hope you all are fine. So, as per discussion, your chapter 6 has been completed. In today's session, we are continuing with the exercise part of chapter 6. So, first question, as per exercise, what is ethical hacking? Basically, ethical hacking, it is the process of hacking the information that is confidential, and the information through the ethical hacking does remain secret. It means it will not be stolen. It will be secret as usual. Ethical hacking process is also known as another name, that is intrusion testing, penetration testing, or red teaming. Next question, differentiate between ethical hacker and hacker. Hacker is the person who maliciously break into the system for the personal gain. It means it is the person who will try to damage the system, who will try to spoil the system for their personal benefit, and that is also known as cracker. While ethical hacker is a person who found to be a computer expert, who is a computer expert person, and at the same time he works for network security. He will try to protect the network from inside or outside user. Who is virtual warrior? Virtual warriors are the computer experts and hackers who generally participate in cyber welfares, and which are the action undertaken or sanctioned by nationwide or state-wise to infiltrate other countries' network or to cause destruction or to damage. So basically they participate in cyber welfare. Next point, what is difference between black spark hacker and white spark hacker? Both are the types of hacker, only difference is there. Black spark hacker has no prior knowledge of network or system. They will try to infiltrate the network from their own guess. It means they are like a cracker. They will try to crack the system. While white spark hacker has been given the complete knowledge of network or system, they are infiltrating the system for security. Write any 6 measures to prevent your system from hacking. How you can protect your system? The first one, do not respond any unknown email. Use antivirus software. Update your system on regular basis. Encrypt the file. It means to change the file or to save the file with password. Always make backup of the file and change password on regular basis. Next is fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. Ethical hacking is the process of dash the information that is confidential. So it is the process of hacking the information. Certified ethical hackers look for dash and dash in system and network. It is for vulnerabilities and weakness. Ethical hackers protect computer against dash entry. They protect system against illegal entries. And a hacker who likes to tinker with dash, who will like to tinker with software, and the hacker cannot disrupt the system while your computer is in off mode, while it is turned off. Antivirus software must be always installed, and do not respond to any unexpected emails, and always make dash of your files. Take the backup of your files to store them separately. Next is true and false. Gray hat are the bad hackers. False. It can be bad or good, both type. Activists are the computer experts that take participation in cyber welfare. No. These are the virtual warriors. Ethical hacking access computer and network without authorization. False it is. Cracking password and encryption mechanism are attack on operating system. No, it is for finding the detail, not for attack on operating system. Computer experts create their own version of security to track hacking in future. Yes, it is true. Activism is fusion of hacking and activism. Yes, it is again true. And white hat are the malicious hacker. No, it is false. These are the hackers that will work for good job. So this was all about your chapter 6 exercise part. Get it complete in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.